Hey folks, Jim from Salvinos J R Models, and the good friends in the brown trucks came by and brought me a surprise yesterday, and it is the new Chase Elliott 2025 ZL1. Once again, one of the championship contenders, and let's see what's inside this and take a look at what you're going to get in the kit. And I believe these are should be shipping this week. So let's take a quick look inside. Okay, so there we go. I was thinking that was the light reflecting on it, and actually it's still the leftover smoke from his burnout. So there is Chase Elliott's Kelly Blue book, his pale blue. And let's see how it goes in there. And something I noticed when I pulled the lid off a little while ago, I gotta remember, how do they put things back in the box? Top is the glass. Next is that hood tree. There we go. And there's that nice, what do we want to call that? Powder blue. That's probably about it. It's a powder blue. Looks beautiful. Tumble Plastics does such a great job casting our stuff. We are very happy to have them as our partners. Round and Squishy are indeed round and squishy. And this morning I don't have time to do it, so I'm not going to bust into the bag. But if you have not, I always say, and maybe I should put a link at the bottom or the end of the video, there's a video called Oops. There's a couple little tweaks to do on some parts here because they were made really too tight, and it'll make your life a little easier if you do a little bit of tweaking, and it'll go together much nicer. So let's set those aside. I need room here on my other desk. Okay, now let's take a look and see what the pretty parts are. Okay, there's our usual placemat. Give you a nice big one. And there's our decal positions, where everything goes on those. Cool. And some of the final steps. If you've built more than one or two of these cars, you can just about do them without even having to look at the instructions. Okay. There's our sheet of the generic black parts. Okay, now the important stuff. Ooh, those look shiny and they look pretty. All that yellow really stands out. Mr. Kemp once again has done just a beautiful job with what he's done. So I turn those to see how it looks from my vantage. And why does that look blurry? Huh? That shouldn't be blurry. I don't know why. Huh. Okay. Camera looks blurry, but the decals are not. Maybe it just is having a difficult time focusing in. But anyway, Clay did a beautiful job on those, and those look really sharp. So there we go with a quick look inside the box of the Chase Elliott Kelly Blue book, that powder blue Chevy Camaro. And that is now, I think those should be shipping probably this week. This would be the full week before Christmas? Something like that. Anyway, so those will be out and to you very quickly. And they look cool. And if you want to order, I don't know if they've got them up in the web store yet, but they will soon. And it would be a good addition to that kit is... I've been making figurines to go in our kits. We've got drivers that fit in. I've got a driver that's got one leg in the window as he's climbing in, and then we have this. The arms are separate. The helmet is separate. So if you wanted to recreate that scene and put a Chase Elliott driver standing up in the window after he's won his race, it would be very cool. I am not sure what Rick is going to be putting on the price on those, but you can always check on those. If we don't have them now, you can ask Marco or ask when you place your order when it's going to be when they're going to be there. So it would be a nice little finish to that piece. Make it a cool little diorama. So those are or will be available soon. If not, send me an email, sjrmvideos@gmail.com. Send me an email there, and I can give you an update on what's going on with those. So anyway, Rick Salvino and myself, thank you very much for buying and building Salvinos J R Models kits. And join us here on YouTube live on Saturday mornings at 9 o'clock Central for our Saturday mornings coffee and styrene sniffing and bench racing and stuff like that. It'll be Rick, myself, and most of the time we have good old Mr. Lucas C, aka Matt Conti, who will join us in on stuff, and we can we'll tell you what's going on, what's shipping, and what we're working on, and any of the new stuff and happenings. And it's just a fun show to hang out and visit with. Usually about 80 or 90 people from all over the globe, literally, are joining us at that time. So check us out. And once again, thank you for building Salvinos J R Models.